Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You should already have Kontakt and Mainstage installed. Once that's confirmed, open or create the concert you'll use. Add a software instrument channel strip and insert Kontakt as the O instrument. This starts the signal chain. Now load a Kontakt instrument patch inside the plugin so audio exists. Make sure Mainstage's audio device and sample rate match Kontakt's expectations to avoid clicks. Once loaded, you're ready for routing and MIDI assignment in the next steps. Once Kontakt has the patches loaded, enable multi-output channels in Kontakt's output section and assign each instrument to its own output bus. Then, back in Mainstage, create matching auxiliary channel strips and set their input to the corresponding Kontakt output buses so you can mix each instrument separately. Make sure MIDI channels line up. Set each instrument's MIDI channel inside Kontakt and choose the same input channel on the Mainstage strip. This gives independent control and proper voice allocation for live performance. Now balance levels and routing. Use Mainstage aux strips to set gain, pan, and effects sends for each Kontakt output so everything sits in the mix. Assign your MIDI controller knobs or faders to important Kontakt parameters or to Mainstage channel controls for hands-on performance. Save the concert and a Kontakt multi-preset so you can recall settings quickly. If you get no sound, first verify the audio device and sample rate, then confirm Kontakt's outputs and MIDI channel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.